All right, for this one, Rosie's drawing a circle that has a circumference of about 45 inches. How does the circumference compare to the diameter of the circle? All right, so remember back to when we did the circumference project and I had you guys watch the circumference in the Dragon of Pi book. Even for you remote learners, you should have watched that book because it tells you the answer to this question. Whether or not you actually did that project, I know that one person was saying they didn't have yarn. That's okay. As long as you walked through the other part of that lesson, you still got the information. I do apologize you weren't able to actually do the project itself, but you still got the information if you watched the book. If you haven't watched the book, I suggest you go do that now because it does give you the answer to this question right here. I'm not going to give you the answer because I need you to remember back to that point. And when you were cutting the yarn, how many, if you were in class, how many yarn strips did we cut? Think about that. Think about what you did with the yarn after you cut it. Where did you glue it? What did we come up with? At that point, you will be able to deduce or remember what it is when it comes to the circumference and diameter and how they compare. Then you're going to write your answer, A, B, C, or D, right down here.